Hello everybody, so today I will talk about the chemistry. The topic today is the compound pi deficient or pi excessive. If the pi deficient is mean electron poor, it means that the ring provide the electron for the function. If the pi is excessive, it means that the electron from the function provider for the ring that's called Electron-Rich. So now we will talk about this compound in here. We have 3 nitrogen in here, and we know that the carbon in here is more electron than the nitrogen in here, so that they will share the electron from the carbon to the nitrogen, and this one similar to the carbon in here is the electron in this carbon is more than the nitrogen in here, so that they share the electron for the nitrogen, so that the range in here right now is about electron poor, it means by deficient. On the next one, we know that the carbon in here, the electron in this carbon is more than the nitrogen in here, so that they will share the electron for the nitrogen. So this range is now electron poor, so we can conclude that this compound is about pi deficient, because on the electron in each ring they provide to the nitrogen, so that they got about pi deficient in here. So that's it, the end. Thank you for watching.